video, we're going to solve a problem which appeared in IIT JEE Main 2019. It's a problem from straight line. So first go ahead and try to understand the problem statement. Here a straight line L is there at a distance 4 units from the origin and makes positive intercept on the coordinate axis. The perpendicular from the origin to the given line makes an angle 60 degree with x plus y equal to 0. We now need to find out the equation of the line L. So let's go ahead and solve the particular problem. So first, see that here we have a line that makes a distance. So therefore for this problem, if we able to sketch the figure appropriately, so more or less the problem will be solved. It's not a difficult problem. So let's go ahead. So first we consider the equation of the given line, which is x plus y equal to 0. Notice that this particular line is passed through the point 0 0 and 1 minus 1. So here I named it as O and Q. So we consider the x-axis and y-axis, put the origin. So origin is, we all know that. So here we just put only the point, right? Q, which is 1 minus 1. Now obviously if I join that, we get the line x plus y is equal to 0. So first job is done. Now we have to go ahead and consider the line L, which makes positive intercept on the coordinate axis. What is the meaning of positive intercept? That means that, right, that the given line will intersect the x-axis and y-axis in this positive direction. So if this is my x-intercept, y-intercept is also in the positive direction. So that's the concept. So based on that, we just go ahead and draw a line AB which intersect the x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B. So therefore we are able to draw the given line. So line is done. So here our job is to find out this equation only. Now also few information also available so that we can go ahead and find out that. So let's go ahead and observe that. Here we first drop a perpendicular OP from O to B, so that OP is given as 4. And also it says that OP makes an angle 60 degree with x plus y equal to 0. So therefore I just mark the angle 60 degree, so which is P, O and Q. So these are the given information. Now let's proceed. So here we first rewrite the equation x plus y equal to 0 in slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. If we do so, right, we get it as y is equal to minus 1 x. So therefore slope in this particular case will be minus 1. Also we know that the slope means that it's an angle tan of an angle theta, which is theta. Theta is the angle which it makes with positive direction of x-axis. So therefore, in this case, if it makes an angle theta, tan theta is minus 1 and hence theta is 135 degree. So therefore, we just make the angle which the straight line x plus y equal to 0. That means the line OQ makes with x-axis. So that's 135 degree. So therefore, by simple calculation from the figure, we can easily understand that what about the angle POA or the angle AOP, that 75 degrees. 60 plus 75 is 135. So that's it. So this is the first observation for our particular problem. So let's get that main observation. So here the normal OP makes an angle 75 degree with the positive direction of x-axis and the length of OP is 4. So therefore we understand that to solve this particular problem we need to use the equation of normal form. So let's go ahead now. So here we proceed with and recall that properties or the equation of a line in normal form. We know that if a length of the perpendicular, where is OP here is P, and it makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, positive direction of x-axis, then the equation can be written as x cos alpha, y sin alpha. and that's equal to P. So see that here P is 4 and alpha is 75 degree. So therefore we get the equation in a very simple form. Now see that our job is to find the equation of AB and we're done with that. But if we look or take care of the options now, the options, the angles are not present. So therefore we need to calculate the angular values of 75 degree and sine 75 degree by some means. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So to do so, we'll apply the compound angle formulas, that means cos x plus y sin x plus y. You may go ahead in any other approach. So let's go ahead. So here we know that cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So here we choose x is equal to 45 degree, y is 30 degree. So therefore what is cos 75? Just substitute in the appropriate cases and our job is done. Now we know that what is the value of cos 45, cos 30, sin 45, sin 30. So let's put appropriate values. So after putting all those values in the appropriate place and doing a little bit of calculation, the basic arithmetic calculation, we obtain cos 75 is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, and that's it. Let's go ahead and retain that 7 cos 75 degree values, and now our next job is to calculate y 75. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So as we need to calculate y75, we'll introduce or we calculate it by the means of, right, that sin x plus y, sin x y, cos y and cos x sin y. So now here also we put x is equal to 45, y is equal to 30 degree. So therefore we get the expression for sine 75 degree. Now sine 75 degree will be here by putting the similar way the appropriate values we calculated as root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So now see that for to obtain the equation of AB, we able to obtain the sine 75 and cos 75 degree. So therefore my job is done. Let's go ahead and substitute everything in the appropriate place, right? So after substitution, we get the equation of a straight line. Now we multiply both sides by 2 root 2. If we do so, right, we get the root 3 minus 1 x plus root 3 plus 1 y is 8 root 2. So therefore, for this particular problem, we can understand that, right, that option D, sorry, option D is the correct answer. Okay, that's it. So that's the problem, right? So in this case, option D is the correct answer. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood the problem. It's a direct application of the geometric understanding of or the sketching the problem, and obviously little bit of trigonometry and equation in the normal form. Hope you understood the problem.